How to review received friend requests on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review received friend requests history on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find the storylines in the top corner and go down, click settings, and now click activity log, and here you will find connections. Click on it and then click received friend requests. And as you see here, you can review received friend requests on Facebook Lite, and it's easy, of course. And now, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.